Hey, what's up everyone? RC84 here. Like always, thanks for watching. Well, my friends, check out what I have here on the RC workstation. Another RC construction vehicle. This, my friends, is the 120 scale RC skid steer from E. This is a fully rated run vehicle. The arms move up and down. The bucket tilts up and down. It has full drive on it. It's a pretty awesome little vehicle. Now, I do not expect this thing to move heavy loads and dirt and rocks and stuff like that. This is an electric version. E does make a hydraulic version of this one in a 1/14 scale. It also says 1/14 scale on the box, but it is actually 1/20 scale, so it's not 1/14. But this is a pretty little amazing vehicle, very highly detailed, and I'll take it out of the box and show you. But what comes with the vehicle? Well, you comes with a 2.4 gigahertz controller, which is that controller right there. Standard E is designed for their lower grade vehicles. They'll like kind of PS2 controller there, but it's 2.4 gigahertz. Takes two AA batteries to run the remote control. It does come with a battery for the vehicle as well. Comes with a 3.7 volt 500 milliamp lithium ion battery with a standard USB charger, so it's pretty awesome about that. So yeah. Now, another feature that this vehicle has, it has a 2-speed mode on it. Now, I will say this vehicle is not portional driven or steering. It does not have portional throttling or steering. I'm going to say that again, it does not have portional steering and throttling, so you can't really adjust the speed of the vehicle and the turning of it. But you do have that 2-speed mode, so you have a high mode and a low mode. So basically it's cutting the power down from going 100% power to maybe 50% of the power, or maybe lower. But anyway, I decided to get this thing because I thought, hey, it was pretty cool looking, and definitely could use it out in the site there to maybe pick up a few things around the site, get in some places where maybe some of the front loader or the excavator can't get to, or do some things that maybe not some of the other equipment can do. So that's the reason why I bought this. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the box, take a look at it, and talk a little bit more about it. Alright, my friends, so here it is outside the box, and take a closer look at it. Pretty cool looking, very detailed kind of. We got the bucket right there. We got our wheels, full drive. Wanted to mention that. There's the number for it, E594 E. Look at the interior, pretty highly detailed. You got the seat with the control arms right there where they would be at. Looks like there's some Phillips screws there, so you can take it off and maybe put a little action figure in there. Turn it around to the back. We have the back here. To put the battery, you put it right here. The little Phillips screw right there, pull it out. It actually opens up and allows you to put the battery in there. To the other side, and yeah. So there you go, that part, and it's all windows too. Pretty cool looking. Now, talk about what comes with it. I told you already about what comes in it. You get your usual your manual showing how to operate the vehicle and all that good stuff. Then you have the battery, which is this tiny battery here. That's a 500 milliamp 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. Now, I do have a bigger battery to put in there. This is a 3.7 2000 milliamp battery. If my focus, yeah, there it goes. So a little bit bigger battery for some much longer run time if I wanted to do so. And you get the standard USB charger. Not exactly sure how to, let's see if we can get a close-up view. There you go. You might want to pause just to read it, but anyway, just a standard USB charger. Then we have E's famous little like a PS2 PlayStation 2 controller here. Now this vehicle is very simple to drive. So we have our left stick here, which is forward and throttle. Then we have our right stick, which is the left and right turning of the vehicle. We have sound. Then we have our 2-speed right here. You see that? It has a little rabbit and a little turtle, so you can slow it down. Then you got some buttons here in the middle. We have one that raises up the arms, raises down the arms, curls the bucket up and the bucket down on these two. Now these right here don't do anything, they're just for looks, but PS2 controller. So let's go ahead and throw in a battery, test it out a little bit before we actually take it out on the site. Alright, so we got the controller on, we got the vehicle on, you can tell by the flashing lights right there. So let's go ahead and give this a work. So let's turn it on. So we got the sound there. I'm not a very big fan of the sound, but it is what it is. Raise up. Now the clicking sound, that's just the safety gear in there to let you know that it reached its maximum height ability. So raise it back down. Very smooth actually. So let's turn the sound off. Alright, there you go. We got the sound off. Took me a little bit to do it. But there's the control for the bucket. Pulls all the way down, just like a skid steer would have. Again, that little clicking sound. Lower it down. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this some throttle. Try not to run off the thing here. Of course, we're on this diamond plate thing on my rover here, so it's going to make it bounce around a little bit. It would be nice if it was portional steering and throttling. That would have been very nice for that. So I believe that is low gear. Switch into high gear. We got some wheelie popping action there. So that is probably better if I did not do it on here, but anyway. It's got a lot of torque on there. Let's see what we'll do this. Let's see. Wheelie ride, yeah. Almost came off the side there. Got a little crazy with it. It's definitely fast, so let's put it in high gear or low gear and do that. No. Still does a little hop there. I'm running off the side because I don't have a lot of room here. But that's because we got the arm extended up, so there's a lot of top heavy there. So not too bad. Let's see if we can pick up something. I'm gonna try. Let's see the battery packs for my camera there. We're gonna try to pick it up. We're try, okay. Definitely picks itself up on that. So let's see. Yeah. Well, I can't pick it up. It might do a little bit better. That's high gear. So, yeah, there we go. Raise it up. Well. Alright. Oh, just couldn't fit it there. Alright, there we go. We got it. Raise it up. Not too bad, my friends. I kind of really like it. You know, this is a good platform to upgrade to hobby, grade electronics, so you can have better control with it. So let's take a look at this part right here. So let you know that all four wheels do spin. So there you go, my friends. Hope that you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. It is a really cool little vehicle. I think it's gonna be handy out there on the out there on the site. So I think we should try that. Maybe we should try taking it out there and seeing exactly what this little thing can do. All right, so I'll see y'all out there.